Welcome to this video, gentlemen. Today I will be talking about the ideal male. The ideal male, how should a male's life look like? What is the ideal characteristics of an ideal male? So, we have never told what is an ideal male, what is the man we need to look up, what is the man which is above us, and we want to become like him. We have never told these things. Let me have a breath and I would teach you all these things. Just let me have a single breath because I came up the stairs and I was running. So let me just breathe so I can tell you all these things very clearly. I'm gonna give you a tip here. When you breathe, breathe through your tummy. Like when you breathe, your tummy should come out. Today we're going to talk about ideal male. What should be the characteristics of an ideal male that you can look up? The male that you can look up and you want to become like him. The male that every single man wants to become like. So if you don't have a goal if you don't have a goal in your life about what you want to be, about what kind of male you want to be, you're never gonna go somewhere in life, because having a perfect goal for your life is extremely important. And today I would be giving you that goal, that how your life should look like, how what and which characteristics you need to have in your life, you need to develop in your life to become the man everybody respects. You might be thinking that why are there circles in every single word and why I have underlined all of these words, because last time I was recording the video and my phone didn't record this video because it was very sunny today and the phone got heated and it didn't record the whole video. So I explained all the concept in that video, but the video didn't got recorded. So now I'm gonna make this video again, and all these circles, ignore them. You have to do a little bit of compromise here, but the value in this video would be immense. The value wouldn't be compromised here. Let's talk about the ideal male. The ideal male has courage. The ideal male has courage to do things. Courage is acting on your fears. Courage is acting in spite of fears. The ideal male feels fear. He feels fear when he's trying to do something out of the box, when he's trying to do something difficult, but he acts with courage. He shows courage at that levels of life. Courage is a very necessary thing for every single man. An ideal male has honor. He has honor. He has a set of rules that he follows in his life. For example, he treats children and women well. He doesn't steal from anyone. He doesn't tell a lie in his life. He respects older people. That is honor. Honor is basically the set of rules that you follow in your life. You need to follow your honor in your life. Sometimes things can be different when you need to tell a lie or do something, but honor is extremely important and every single man need to live a life with honor. An ideal male never ever complains in his life. No matter what life is giving him, no matter what is happening in his life, he never complains. He does every single thing with focus. He does every single thing without complaining. Because when you complain, you give your power out. You make yourself less responsible. When you don't complain, you take the responsibility on yourself. An ideal male provides and protects for his family, children, weak people, and the world. An ideal male provides and protects. In fact, every single male in this universe is born to provide and protect for his family, children, and weak people which cannot do things at their own, and the world in general. Men have a duty to provide and protect for everyone. So, ideal male and every single male need to follow this rule of provide and protect. An ideal male controls his lust. Lust is the most detrimental thing for a man. If you can't control your lust, you're never gonna be successful in your life, because lust is a very bad thing. You need to control your lust. You need to put chains on your lust and never let it control yourself. An ideal male avoids pleasure. An ideal male avoids any kind of bad pleasures that would be bad for his life, such as alcohol, such as degenerate things, such as all these things that provide you instant gratification. He doesn't pursue all these things. He avoids any kind of pleasure, because pleasure is where man get destroyed. An ideal male is stoic. The meaning of the word stoic is you have a control over your emotion. Stoic man is a man who can control his emotions. Emotions such as lust, emotions such as anger, embarrassment. All these emotions can sometimes decline your life in a bad way. So a stoic man knows how to control his emotions, knows how to control his anger, knows how to control the frustration. He has control over his emotions. A ideal male is disciplined. Discipline is the most important pillar of a male's life. With discipline, a man can achieve anything he wants in life. So discipline is extremely important for every single male. An ideal male respects women and children. Women and children are the people who need to be respected. So the ideal male respects every single woman, every single children. The ideal male is not materialistic. With the term materialistic means he doesn't chase material things. He doesn't chases material things such as a car, money, and all these things. He is satisfied in his life, but he's always trying to grow. Of course, money is extremely important for everybody's life, but you need to have a purpose in your life. You should not be chasing money. You should not be chasing money always. You need to have a different purpose except money, because when you start chasing money, you become a shallow man. Here's a quote from an English philosopher who wrote a book about the human nature and male's life. And when I read this quote for the first time, it really shocked me. And it's gonna shock you too. I'm gonna read it out for you. The life of a man is poor, nasty, cruel, violent, isolated, and short. Life of every single man was like this. It has always been like this from many centuries. But now men have become a little bit more comfortable because the society has grown. Now men don't face these things up to that extent as they used to feel, and men are comfortable nowadays. But every single man who is confident, every single man who is important, went through all these things, and it is extremely true that man's life is always going to be like this. Every single important man's life is going to be like this. Men go on war, men build big buildings, men suffer to provide for their family, men do all these things. That's why men are the building blocks of every society. Women are also important in every single society, but women have their own roles and men have their own roles. We are discussing about the ideal male here, so I'm going to only talk about the male life. Now I'm going to tell you some movies that you can watch, some movies that you can take inspiration from, and define what an ideal male is. All these movies are great movies. You should go and watch them. I've watched them all, and you should watch these movies because you will get a sense of what an ideal male should be, what would be his characteristics. The first movie is Gladiator. This is the best movie that can define a man. In this movie, there's a character named Maximus. He was betrayed by his kingdom and he takes his revenge.